Dear students, today I will discuss one important topic of substitution reaction is trans effect. This is the ability of an attached group to direct the substitution into a position trans to itself. Let us discuss the substitution in this complex. If we substitute one of the ligand by ethylene group, we get the complex this. Here this chlorido has more trans effect than the amine ligand. So it will direct the substitution trans to this chlorido. That means this ethylene takes the position trans to chlorido ligand, not the trans to amine ligand, because the chlorido has more trans effect than the amine ligand. Let us take another example to explain the trans effect. This is one complex. If we substitute one of the ligands by the amine ligand, we get the product now. The chlorido ligand trans to ethylene ligand will be substituted by the amine ligand, because the trans effect of amine C2H4 is more than chlorido ligand. So the product will be this.